Good morning, class 4th. Children, we are still doing chapter number 2 and I am on page number 22. Before starting with this, I just want to remind you that we were discussing about the folders, the various things that we can do with the folders, like renaming a file or folder, selecting multiple files or folders. And I told you that I will send you the practical part of this video also. Okay, so have patience, I will send you that later on. Let's now concentrate on the theory part. So I'm on page number 22. We will start with moving a file or folder. To move a file or folder from one place to another, follow these steps. Moving means basically we are cutting it. We are cutting the file or the folder and pasting it somewhere else. Okay, so from one location to another we are taking it. So let's see. Now select one or multiple files or folders to be moved. Means first we need to select the file or folders that we want to move. Right click on the mouse button and click the cut option. You will right click here and you will click on the cut option. Okay, select a new location where this file is to be moved. Open it by double click. You can paste it anywhere you want to. Okay, any location that you want to, you can take them, one file or folder or more than one file or folder. Then right click the mouse and click the paste option. The file is now moved to a new place. And again you will right click and you will find paste option and you will take it to the next place. You will paste it there. Okay, so basically what you have done, you have cut it and you are pasting it. Okay, you are cutting the file folders and then you are pasting it to the different place. Fine. Now, not tampering with others files or folders. File permissions are one way the system protects against malicious tampering. Reading, writing and executing are the three main settings in permissions. Means this is the one way when we use file permissions, we can protect our system against malicious tampering. Means wrong actions or damage, we can control it. Okay, we can protect our system against it. Reading, writing and executing are the three main settings and permissions. These are the three types of permissions. First is reading. We can just allow the people to read. We can allow the people to write, only few people whom we can trust. Okay, or who are concerned with that file. And executing means running the file. When some installation is going on, at that time we need to run the file and that is called executing. There is an option of running or executing and it means that it is making some changes in the system when you want to install some new application. Okay, like suppose if you want to install some browser, so at that time you need to execute the file also. So we can allow whether we want a particular set of people to execute or we don't want them to. Since users are placed into a group when their accounts are created, you can also specify whether certain groups can read, write to or execute a file. Means when the when the accounts are created, the users are placed into different groups. Okay, so we can specify whether we want those groups to read or write or to execute a file. If we think that they just need to read, we can allow them. If we think that they need to write also, so we can allow. And if we think that they can execute also and they will not cause any damage to the system, then we can set this permission also. Okay, so this way we can, these file permissions work and they are very essential because they protect our system. This is one of the very good ways of protecting our system. Now copy a file or folder. Here we have discussed about cutting and now we are discussing about the copying. Okay, so more or less the options are same, only instead of cut you have to use copy option. So let's start. Files or folders can be copied in different locations. We can Copy the files and folders to various locations. To copy a file or folder, follow these steps. Select files or folders to be copied. We can select various files or folders which we want to copy. Right click on the mouse and click on the copy option. We can right click on the mouse and we can click the copy option from here. Select the place where a file is to be copied and double click to open it. Means we can select the place where we want the file to be copied, and from there we can double click to open it. Right click the mouse and click paste option. The file is copied to a new place, and then we will right click and then we can paste the file. Okay, means when you want to copy, you just have to select, you have to right click, find the copy option, then you have to search for the location, open that location and use paste option to paste the files there. Okay, so today please revise all these steps, okay, and learn the difference between the moving a file or folder or copying a file or folder. Okay, and then when I will send you the practical video related to it, you can practically see how it is done. Okay, take care, bye bye.